Today we're going to be looking at how to adjust your second monitor from left to right in Windows 10. Now if your screens aren't set up correctly, it can actually make your workflow feel really awkward, and also it can impact your productivity. I had this issue a few years ago when I was setting up an external monitor. It wasn't set up correctly. So I made a few simple changes and it actually made a big difference in terms of my workflow. So I just really wanted to share this video with you today. But before we jump into the detail, if you're new to this channel and you want help solving your tech related questions like this and other types of tech, start now by subscribing to our channel. Okay, so let's dive into the detail right now on how to adjust your second monitor from left to right in Windows 10. Okay, so one of the biggest issues when the screens aren't set up correctly in terms of their flow left to right and vice versa is, for example, like here, you can see the mouse pointer. You can't actually go onto the other screen anywhere along this band at the edge of the screen, and quite a lot of people, viewers on my channel, have commented on this, that they can't get the mouse onto the other screen, the external screen. Now it's generally to do with the setup of the displays. So what is happening at the moment is that we have to go onto the left hand side of the screen to go onto the actual external monitor. So from a work point of view, a workflow point of view, that's a bit of a nightmare and also not very good in terms of productivity at all. So, and obviously if you're opening apps up, the only way to get them onto the other screen, if you've got an extended setup, is to actually move it across to the left hand side of the screen and then back on from the right. So that's not an ideal setup at all. So what we need to do to make the change to get the workflow working correctly again is, if you right click on your desktop and go into display settings. So physically the external monitor is on the right hand side, but if you look at the settings here, when we click identify monitor 2, the external monitor is actually set on the left hand side, which is why it's causing an issue in terms of the workflow across the screen. And it's really annoying, to be fair with you. So what we need to do, it's a simple fix, is just literally, if you click on the relevant monitor, if just literally drag it to the right hand side or the relevant side you want to make the change, and then press apply. And what you'll notice immediately is that now that is fixed, so we can actually mouse onto the other screen, okay, quite easily. And that feels a lot more logical to do it that way. And obviously in terms of productivity and workflow, it's a lot better. So, and when we open apps, for example, okay, it's open on the main screen now, but we can actually drag the apps from right to left and vice versa on an extended screen when we're extending our screens. I've also put together some other PC related videos for you, including how to make a monitor the main monitor in Windows 10, as well as some other videos where I share a bunch of helpful tips. Links are appearing on screen now. Be sure to check them out. We'll see you on the next video.